Alright, today we're going to be installing a motherboard into a computer. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take these bronze looking pieces out of the bag, and you're going to want to put them in the case in the proper holes. You're going to want to do this because if you don't, there'll be metal touching metal, and that's never good in this case. Alright, so you're going to put it in like so. And the port should line up with the metal piece that you popped in that may or may not have came with your motherboard in the back. So you're going to put that in there. Line it all up. Make sure it's all good. And then you're going to take a screw and screw it in all the holes. Like so. And screw it on in till it's tight. There you go.